When considering VPNMonster, here are 12 things you need to know before buying. This VPN claims to stand out in a crowded market, but how does it compare to others like NordVPN or ExpressVPN? Stick around, and we'll break down the key points to help you make the right decision. First thing, let's talk about speed. VPNMonster offers decent speeds, but they're not the fastest in the industry. While it's suitable for general browsing and streaming, if you're looking for ultra-fast connections for high-demand activities like gaming or 4K streaming, there are faster alternatives out there. Next thing, privacy. VPNMonster boasts strong encryption and a no-logs policy, which is a must-have for privacy-conscious users. However, unlike some competitors that have been independently audited, VPNMonster's privacy claims haven't undergone such scrutiny yet. So, while it seems solid, it's not fully verified by third parties. The third thing is the server network. VPNMonster provides servers in multiple countries, but their global reach isn't as extensive as top-tier competitors. If you need access to rare or hard-to-reach regions, other VPNs might offer a wider selection. Moving on to compatibility, VPNMonster covers most major platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. However, unlike some premium VPNs, it doesn't support as many advanced options for router or smart TV setup. If you're after flexibility across a wide array of devices, you might want to consider alternatives. The fifth thing is pricing. VPNMonster offers affordable plans, which makes it a great option for budget-conscious users. But do keep in mind that some more premium options might offer more features at a higher price point. The sixth thing to note is streaming. VPNMonster does work with popular services like Netflix and Hulu, but you might encounter some difficulties accessing geo-restricted content in other regions. If streaming is your priority, you might get smoother experiences with other providers known for their reliability with streaming platforms. Next, let's talk about security. VPNMonster offers strong encryption protocols, which is great. However, it's important to check whether their kill switch works as expected, since some users have reported inconsistencies when the VPN connection drops. Other top VPNs offer more consistent and trusted kill switches. The eighth thing is customer support. VPNMonster provides 24/7 support through live chat and email, but responses can sometimes take longer than those from industry leaders. If prompt assistance is a priority for you, you might find better response times elsewhere. The ninth thing is their logging policy. VPNMonster says they have a strict no-logs policy, but unlike other VPNs, they don't offer a third-party audit to prove it. If you're highly concerned about anonymity, there are VPNs with verifiable claims here. Moving on to features, VPNMonster includes ad blocking and malware protection, which is a nice touch. But it doesn't offer advanced features like split tunneling or double VPN, which are available with some of the best VPN services. If these features are a deal breaker for you, you may want to consider other providers. The 11th thing is ease of use. VPNMonster has a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. However, some advanced users may feel limited by the lack of customization options. If you're someone who likes to tweak settings for specific needs, you may prefer a more feature-rich VPN. Finally, let's talk about the free trial. VPNMonster offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, but unlike some competitors, they don't have a truly free plan or free version for testing. While the guarantee is nice, it's still something to consider before making the jump. In conclusion, VPNMonster is a solid option with good privacy, affordable pricing, and decent speeds. However, if you're looking for faster speeds, more server options, and additional features, it might not be the best choice for you. If you want a better option, check out our recommended VPN solution that you can try for free.